Hi everyone! I hope you are enjoying the beautiful season wherever you are. I'm originally from Ehime Prefecture in Japan. Ehime is a place of breathtaking natural beauty, lush mountains, and the calm, shimmering blue waters of the Seto Inland Sea. I grew up surrounded by peaceful mandarin orange groves, stretching along the mountains and hills overlooking the quiet ocean. Maybe that's why, even now as an adult, one of my dreams is to grow my own orange and lemon trees in my garden. Not quite there yet, but someday. Ehime is also blessed with wonderful pure water, which makes it a renowned production region for Washi, Japanese handmade paper, and Mizuhiki, the traditional Japanese decorative cord. Mizuhiki is made by twisting washi paper into a slender cord, and it's an essential decorative element in Japanese gift wrapping and traditional occasions. I absolutely love creating wrapping designs that combine origami folded washi paper with Mizuhiki embellishments, and I have featured this style in many of my videos over the years. For this video, I'm so excited to be working with a Mizuhiki design created by Hiroko of Roco Style. She is one of the top Mizuhiki designers in Ehime. Together, we've created a lovely June bride wrapping design. The design fans out symmetrically, like an open folding fan, a classic symbol of celebration and good fortune. It has such an elegant and quietly beautiful look that it's truly perfect not just for weddings, but for all kinds of celebrations. I hope you like it. In our newly created membership community, members get exclusive monthly videos, plus live workshops hosted by guest instructors around the monthly themes. This month's theme is Musubu, tying, and Hiroko will be teaching a hands-on workshop on how to create your own beautiful Mizuhiki ornament. Her instructions were clear and easy to follow, so this is a wonderful opportunity to discover what it's like to work with Mizuhiki to elevate your gift giving. Members also enjoy a 10% discount on kits. And for those of you who find it tricky to source Japanese materials on your own, we've worked with 𝐢𝐢 shop to set up a system to ship materials directly from Japan right to your door. We are just getting started, but we have so many fun ideas and projects with you in the month ahead. So if any of this sounds exciting to you, I would love for you to join us. We also offer a 30-day trial period, so if you just like to peek inside and see what it's all about, you are more than welcome to give it a try. You will find all the details in the description below. Now sit back and enjoy the sounds of wrapping.